Hey guys, so I'm gonna talk about my top surgery consultation that I had yesterday. Yeah, so my consultation was with Dr. Raphael in Plano, Texas, and it was pretty chill. The whole place is just a whole plastic surgery center, so they have about 6 doctors there. Dr. Raphael does the top surgery, and basically just went into this room. His consultation assistant came in, asked some very basic questions, filled out a form obviously with all my medical history and all that, and came in, and she talked to us about some stuff. Then the doctor came in, took a look at my chest to see what surgery would probably be best for me, because I do have a pretty small chest, so we wanted to see if the keyhole procedure would be good for me. He did some measurement stuff. I don't know exactly the science behind that, how that works, but that's why he's the doctor and I'm not. So he did all that. He said that apparently, which I didn't know was a thing, apparently my nipples are low, kind of lower than they're supposed to be. So he said that the keyhole procedure might not give me the results I would want, so it'd probably be best to go with the double incision. But since I do have a small chest, the incision wouldn't be quite as big as someone with a bigger chest, so there'll be smaller incisions, so smaller scars and all that. So we decided to go with the double incision because he said he'd rather me just be happy with the results, and he's seen more people regret getting the keyhole than double incision. So I am going to be going with a double incision. I didn't set a date yet, but they only need about a month in advance. They only need about a month to 2 months advance notice, so I'm not too worried about setting the date yet, because whenever I'm ready to set the date, it'll only be about a month or 2 months after that I can get surgery, which is awesome. So yeah, I'm just kind of waiting till I save up a little bit more money, but it looks like with my parents' help, early next year I should be able to get it in May. That's kind of what we're looking for. So that would be right after college gets out and everything, so I wouldn't have to worry about classes or anything like that. And then we're hoping, since I want to go up to over to the East Coast for this summer, see some of my friends back where I grew up and all that, it would take doing it in May. I could probably get back to the East Coast in June, like mid-June or so, and yeah, so that would work out pretty well. Surgery would cost $6,000, and our insurance won't cover that because they do still count it as plastic surgery. So I am working on saving up some money, and I'll have some help from my parents early next year. So yeah, right now we're looking at May for surgery, and the consultation was great. Dr. Raphael was a really cool guy, and his assistant was really awesome too. They both made me feel very good, and like they really knew what they were talking about and doing. I mean, they should, but they just made me feel really comfortable, and they're just awesome. They totally just made me feel great. I don't know how else to say it. It's funny because you don't really realize how much someone just treating you like a perfectly normal guy, you don't know how, I don't always realize how great that could feel. And then, in that kind of situation where we're dealing with my chest, which is something I'm very insecure about, they just made me feel awesome, and just like any other guy who just needs a little help to be more comfortable in his body, and it was just awesome. So anyways, that's how the consultation went. So I will be getting the double incision. We're looking at probably May, and it's about $6,000. Yes. So if you have any questions or anything, you can hit me up on here, or you can hit me up on Tumblr. My Tumblr, the Silent Fighter. I'll put it in the link. I'll put the link in the description. And I will talk to you guys soon. Peace.